yen nyina nim se ura na nado danko akufuado na eba de akiri Dr. Alhaji Mahama Bawumia the policy be by a friend gold purchasing program. Papa yi this program no buy no. And these people took it to mockery. There's almost I say no who Dr. Bawumia says initiative no day bad or Montiasia. It cannot do nothing. In fact, the actual president, the governor of Bank of Ghana, Mr. Hwine Eka Sembi.
Is it the gold purchase program and all the hula baloo about it? All you are trying to do is you want to increase your reserves.
Yeah.
The gold purchase program and all the hula baloo about it. All you are trying to do is you want to increase your reserves.
Yeah.
And remember, in terms of seniority, dollar reserves are far better than gold reserves.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Because if you need to do certain government payments, blah, blah, you don't have enough dollars in your account as a country, what do? You have to sell your gold. Mm-hmm. Selling gold is not something you do within minutes.
And 10 years, Abre, we are not quite saying way. A train send I'm buying and this about Kunyamno. Or Trani Padudu in your name country almost say, go to Tona and Ando Danko Kufuado, but the actually Dr. Bawumia Diaba. So Mangan and Tongu Bank ho. Na yemfa mo yesika ho ban ni yesika ni nya ho odene ewo wiase adwafo eman so no papa we na oye the governor of Ghana Bank no ebeka say ehun hia because eyeden ya wo the year reserves enti e better see benya dollars agu ho more than see benya gold agu ho. This is the reason why this foolish man, when he came first, he showed all the gold reserve. When tia papa when I know by mui, otumiton 18 tons of gold, because he don't believe in what Nanado was doing. Now papa iba kunyamu after 1 year. Now otna sino ya assessment. Now ohe a Japadia Nanado danko kufuado a buying. And then you read Dr. Bawumia Edijano. Now already the impact of Saja Padiana, a faded Jimini, you know, what tongue go to Nina, you know, a fenosi or San Quacotofu Frodiaba. Timmy, you. Bodam, a dambo, any grass, Semontino. Oba and a Japadiana, a dear Janono. One transia meanani, nani, unsteady, antiasi ye. Because said they know you're convinced in 2014, 15, 16, Omudi good the financial system in the country. Began a final move reference them. Sa papa ya me born in video chirawi. Hey, one of the guys omu good the Bank of Ghana my now we see come put the bank. Now kona sa ukwa ya bro yam farmer. This man is one of them. But then ye gather no abone powder shanata the fufu de na bre say or ye new governor of Ghana. Papa Way was on a try. Supreme Court of Ghana deep Papa Way Yasman was so deep for ye kokubuana for Mahama Baya or see no case. And ye jano. And to you would not to way. Akwanyana wenyano. He is not there to come and make you better. Obedi Obeye finance ministry no emu adwuma bi Bank of Ghana adwuma yo ye bi before record ben ojaye. So why do you expect him come and make any record today? And you know say the gold for reserves now buying here no in opposition or see who here and into your buyer what on na no bi obeka sai. Ti asemo kan. Mr. Nanado and Dr. Bawumia government Lord is big here.
The bank's gold programs also played a strategic role during the year.
We January 2026. Or see, but on Casem New Mount, the domestic gold purchasing program at Dr. Bawumia and the buyer, and then your friend of the bank gold. Or see a ball, the home modern. Ewa nyansa kwenti trobi sopa.
Through the domestic gold purchase program, external buffers were strengthened.
And so the domestic gold purchase program now, Dr. Bawumia de buy, and my yahoodene ewa mansen dwaso, a manfo dwaso no, and my yahoodene kosro, yentuado.
FX pressures were moderated, and confidence in Ghana's external position improved.
Amanfo omudidwa ewo wiase amansem omudi omusika firi baabi kɔ baabi ekoye investment ema oman ne kɔ nanim no enam saa good purchase program na Dr. Bawumia de buy no ema businessmen nya confidence ewo Ghana man anim yento ado.
As a result, gross international reserves rose to over 13.8 billion US dollars, equivalent to approximately 5.7 months of imports cover.
Entity the domestic gold program no. How mo beto aso no. E boy ye ma ye nya aten say 30 something whatever he said. Positive. Ye amount no.
Imports cover. This was historic. This was historic. Approximately 5.7 months of imports cover. Then to approximately 5.7 months, equivalent to approximately 5.7 months. Gross international reserves rose to over 13.8 billion US dollars, equivalent to approximately 5.7 months of imports cover. This was historic.
Yo, Papa we yanka say can't say Dr. Bawumia adwuma na ode buy no. Ehun sunsanso no. Ama ya gaining about 13.3 billion US dollars of international reserves. I want to him no. A unprecedented, a historical.
I've not seen such levels since I joined the central bank way back in 1995.
Pachotio, or see a DB at say being sida since your share and the Bank of Ghana a year Juma 1995. How many years ago? Kind of 1995. We are talking about 30 something years today. Sadi we been sida. Who invented that knowledge? Yewura Alhaji Muhammad Bawumia. But this foolish man, before he became the governor of Bank of Ghana, no etna babi ekanchire Ghana for say. Sadena Dr. Bawumia no emfaso niso. Listen. I just want you to listen to the video again. Just listen.
You see, the gold purchase program and all the hula baloo about it, all you are trying to do is you want to increase your reserves.
Yeah.
The gold purchase program and all the hula baloo about it, all you are trying to do is you want to increase your reserves.
Yeah.
And remember, in terms of seniority, dollar reserves are far better than gold reserves.
Oh, okay.
Yes. Because if you need to do certain government payments, blah, blah, you don't have enough dollars in your account as a country, what do? You have to sell your gold. Mm-hmm. Selling gold is not something you do within minutes.
Yes. And to party opposition, and on Tiniama Biase. I say, Akwada. Uwani, Nansu. These are the magics of Dr. Bawumia. My main here about this segment, I am quite different. And then nketinketi ho asem aba tie. Enche bia ye ho sa amanfo binom de nkokɔ ne namunkura ase cheche. Ye nyina nim say one of the major political campaign promise of Nana of John Dramani Mahama say oba obeye nkokɔ nketinketi. Nkokɔ nketinketi ye ho sa amanfo ahyase omo cheche nkokɔ. Ye nyina nim say bia a Greek minister and a yes adwuma no abusua enkrofo we die omuhu a Greek minister ba ya o se onu de onim ho hwe se enkokɔ nketinketi nchiche ye bi ekoso ena mi bisa wo se ene hwan ena echiche nkokɔ no ti a Greek minister.
I haven't heard about such projects being executed by another office.
Well, I can tell you with reasonable level of confidence that the ministry in charge of special initiatives is coordinating a project called the National Broiler Project.
The ministry.
No, the Minister of State. You see, there's no ministry, but there's a Minister of State in charge of special initiatives. He is the MP for Nkranza South. And
yes, MP for Nkranza South.
Yes, and he under his office there is the National Broiler Project, which has a coordinator called Kelvin Okran.
Okay.
So this is news to you, I'm sure.
Yes. This is the first time I'm hearing this.
Then maybe you need to liaise with them.
You know, in the budget, I did not see any allocation for that project. You understand? So if it is private initiatives or whatever, then I may not be aware. Well,
maybe you can find out more, and then we can talk, because we also we are interested in coordination, because we don't want.
We need to coordinate our efforts,
and we don't want the Minister of Agri
giving
50 chickens and somebody also giving broilers somewhere that the minister is not aware of.
So we don't even have to duplicate it, and that's why we have to synchronize our interventions, so that this person will benefit under the nkonkoo nketinketi, will not also benefit from another program being executed somewhere. So it's good you have drawn my attention to this. I will call my colleague immediately and then ask him about the project, and then we see how we can reconcile.
Thank you.
The most important thing is for us to achieve our aim. Our aim of moving Ghana away from importation of poultry products. And so we have to coordinate. But I didn't know anything about it until this morning. So I'll talk.
Yes, and according to the Agri Minister, no. And if I call nkonkoo nketinketi program no nim on ten wasem kra. So who is doing who? The and man for. Obviously, breko and men transit. I am catch them say I came late. The way near my call. Yes, so yes, today I just want to make it short. Said the beya a man for Mensumenya baby akwadana. Ma take a rest kakra because breko. But answer na me baba kono. Be video be 1% me bonchiro. Now here mahama, how this man is somebody that you cannot trust. In any case, I Rust Media GH on YouTube, on Facebook, and on TikTok. Message on subscribe, subscribe. Now found Satian and see Adomana, so said the beya. Say me by life will be a obenyam notification. Say Baba, no me abedi jumano. Me do besia. Na mother was eno bre said the tibia ne beshia ochra but answer me be kono video we is na one time can be ma yes until we meet again. Adios.
The 1 million jobs plan, which we have christened Ejumapa, will generate an average of 250,000 decent jobs every year. Our job creation policies would be rapidly deployed through needed interventions that are applied to ensure that all sectors of the economy give priority to the creation of sustainable and decent jobs. The 1 million jobs will be anchored on the big push, an aggressive infrastructure development for jobs. The 10 billion investment over 5 years will stimulate the economy and provide opportunities for businesses to grow, create new entrepreneurs, and employ more people. A national apprenticeship program to train technically skilled human resources for rapid industrialization, job creation, and entrepreneurship will be implemented. NAP, as we call it, will target 500,000 out-of-school youth, including Kayaye. Government will bear the cost of fees for their training, and they'll receive start-up kits on completion of their training. What this means is that we'll register master craftsmen in all the districts around the country. We'll register youth that are interested in going as apprentices to learn a skill, and we'll pay the master craftsmen to train them. And when they are finished, we'll give them the kits that they need to start work, whether sewing machines or hair dryers. Through a number of tax exemptions, micro, small, and medium enterprises will be able to plow back their profits. Drive the digitization of the economy to provide new jobs, encourage establishment of new businesses, focusing on exports to help create more job opportunities, provide free training in coding to young people across the country, engage a minimum of 300,000 beneficiaries under the Youth Employment Agency, focus on skills acquisition, legalize and regulate Okada business in order to make it safer and be an avenue for employment. Convert the labor office into a national employment center with offices in all the regions. Persons seeking jobs can register online, and employers who recruit from